Discover the wonders of the Atlantic Ocean with a visit to the Atlantic Sea Park. Ideal if you're looking to do something a little different when in Ålesund. Atlantic Sea Park is one of Europe's largest saltwater aquariums and is home to all manner of fascinating sea life. Take the opportunity to explore the many pools and aquariums and find out all about the creatures that live off Norway's coastline. During this tour, you'll also get to see Ålesund's colourful Art Nouveau buildings before stopping at the Mount Axler viewpoint. From here, you'll experience outstanding views of the town and surrounding islands. This tour is an excellent option for families and those who want to discover Norway's weird and wonderful sea life.